Welcome to my YouTube channel, Half-Fast Hugo. Today, we're riding in Duluth, Minnesota, doing a shuttle from Hartley Park down to Bent Paddle Brewing. So anyways, got a couple of boys with me. We are just getting started. It's a nice about 25 degrees, a little light snow, so should be a good day for a ride. All right, we'll get at it. All right. Yeah. Just leaving out of Hartley. Go. Observation hill. There you go. An observation hill. Finger tower in the distance. And then back down. A little different ride in the winter opposed to summer. And the wind is starting to kick up a little bit. This is a fun downhill, except when people are coming up. There's a parking lot at the bottom here, a lot of hikers. And come up to the top to get a good view. Alright, we are on the last push of this ride. We are on the Anger Park trails, heading to the Craft Connector. Should be a fun ride down with two of us on fat bikes that are studded and one guy on skinny tire. So far it hasn't been an issue. One patch of ice where Jay went sideways a little bit, but managed to pull it off, so that was good. Handcraft connector! Craft connector. Squeaky brakes. Not too bad. Yeah. This is a lot more fun in the summer when it's dry. Yeah, it's still fun though. I have climbed up it, which is interesting. And they call it craft connector because it does happen to hit up onto a few craft breweries if you're into that kind of thing. But they do have lots of non-alcoholic beverages and their own root beer and whatnot. First road here pretty quick. Let's see it down there. And next stopping point. That's a little nerve-wracking there. Woohoo! Not much room for error. Climbs on this little section. And back to the next road. Yeah. Have it. We are coming to the bottom. Here comes the boys, finishing up. Yeah, I did the same thing. Gets a little tricky there at the end. One more. Tight corner.
What?
Tight corner. All right, beer 30, gentlemen. All right, gentlemen, a good ride. Jay's cutting across to the bike lane. Which we can now. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you would, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, there you go. A little winter ride in Duluth, Minnesota. Warmed up to 29 degrees, snow's falling. It is a beautiful day. Again, thanks for watching. If you would, hit the subscribe button and mainly, get outside. Thanks for watching.